On Samsung Galaxy S24, open a browser, and after opening the browser, search Fortnite APK. So after searching the Fortnite APK, click on first link and then click on get the latest version. Now here click on download. Now this pop-up will appear on the screen. Now click on download anyway. So now click on details and the Fortnite game is downloading. So after the download, completing the download, tap on this file and click on install, and after that the Fortnite will be installed on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.